Good evening. This is the recording considering the revision of Grade 4 Microsoft Paint. In this recording, we'll be solving the revision sheet, explaining what was explained in the class, and giving some important notes regarding the quarter exam. Now, first of all, we need to introduce our software, which is Microsoft Paint. Okay, so first thing, Microsoft Paint is a software that's used for drawing, coloring, and drawing different shapes and using different brushes to draw, to illustrate, and to color. The first thing said in this curriculum and the first class of this quarter was the Microsoft Paint interface. What's meant by the interface? It's the first screen appears when you open the software, which is the white screen appearing in front of me. So the first thing we need to identify and explain in this section or in this recording is the toolbar. Okay, what's meant by the toolbar? It's the first thing appearing on the interface screen. It's the first row in the software interface. Starting up from the paint icon in the top left, I'm having here save icon, used to save your work. Okay, here's the undo, which meant undo is a function or a button used in order to remove the last thing done. For example, if I draw a line, it's easier for me to erase this line using the undo or removing the last change, which was drawing the line. It's easier to use undo than using eraser tool. So undo is used to remove the last thing happened in the drawing area. We use like a shortcut on the keyboard. It's Control plus Z. Okay, if we pressed Control button plus Z, it would be doing the undo function. So again, we introduced the interface. We introduced the first the toolbar containing paint icon here, save button, undo, remove the last edit or the last thing happened. Redo is to, like, it's the opposite of undo. So for example, if I draw a line, I don't need this line, I will press undo. It will be deleted. If you press redo, it will cancel the undo, so it will return the line again. This is the list used for the some items also. After this, we are having the word untitled, which is the name of the project. Okay, the name of the project is untitled because I didn't give it a title yet. Okay, so it's named untitled. So the name of the project is untitled. When I press save and give it a name, it will be changed to the name I give. We're having here a slash and paint. Paint is the name of the software we are using. So let's start again. The first thing is the toolbar. The toolbar starting from this exit application, maximize, minimize. Then I'm having here the paint icon, having here save button, undo, which can be also set the Control Z, the redo, and some of the quick actions, the untitled, which is the name of the project and the name of the software. Now let's give them some groups. The first thing, save, undo, redo, and this list are called quick access toolbar. It's called the quick access toolbar. Okay, and this area, which is containing untitled slash paint, is called the title bar. So again, the title bar consists of the name of the project and the name of the software. The quick access toolbar contains the icon of the save, undo, redo, and some options in the drop-down menu. Finally, we are having here the paint icon, and we can say that this is exit, this is maximize, and this is minimize of the screen. This was the first thing in the application or the software, which is the toolbar. Now let's switch up to the next thing and the next element, which is tabs. Okay, File tab, Home tab, View tab. Those three are called tabs. So the next thing after the title bar and after the toolbar, it is the tabs. Okay, I'm having File tab, I'm having Home tab, I'm having View tab. Under each tab, we can easily define and we can easily generate that we are having different groups. So for example, in the Home tab, we're having clipboard, image, tools, shapes, and so on. If we have the view, we'll have different groups. If we have the File tab, we'll have different groups. So we can conclude that under each tab, there are certain number of groups. Under each tab, we are having certain number of groups. So again, we are having the toolbar. The toolbar consists of the title bar, which having the name of the software and the name of the project. We're having the quick access toolbar, save, undo, redo, and some quick options. Finally, we're having the paint icon. Let's switch to the tabs. Under each tab, we're having groups. Finally, the tabs and the groups together. We can say that this area together, this area together, the tabs and the groups are called ribbon. Tabs and the groups are called ribbon, all of this. So finally, we are having the white area. The white area we use to draw is called the drawing area. This was the explanation of the theoretical point and the interface of the software. Now let's switch to solving the revision sheet. Okay. Now let's see the revision sheet we're having. Okay. Let's start by solving some questions. First thing, it said that this is which screen is this? We just explained that this is Microsoft Paint. Number two, we use the pencil tool to color. No, we don't use the pencil tool to color. It's easier to use the fill tool to color, but the pencil tool is used to draw, not to color, so it's false. This sheet is accomplished with a model answer behind this, so you can use this to correct yourself. Number three, what is used to zoom in and zoom out is the magnifier tool. What is the magnifier tool? We can easily say, I put in a question here, this is the magnifier tool, 1 minute. This is the magnifier tool, okay? This is the magnifier tool. So the magnifier tool is used to zoom in and zoom out, zoom in and zoom out. So the magnifier tool is used to zoom in and zoom out in the software. Number four, where is the file menu or the file tab? It's here, it's obvious. Here, is swapping on the file. Number five, which icon is Microsoft Paint? This is easy one. Number six, this is minimize, this is maximize, and this is close. So it's this minimize. What is used to copy color? We are having this point as the color picker tool. The color picker tool is the tool used to copy colors from one figure to another. Number eight, each ribbon have different groups, as we said before, okay? The ribbon consists of tabs and the groups, as we said. So each ribbon consists of tabs and groups. So each ribbon have different groups. Number nine, the option is used to make a duplicate copy. So it's copy, used to copy. Number 10, there is only one type of brushes. It's impossible. We have multiple types of brushes, so it's false. Number 11, this is close, the application. Number 12, to draw a traffic light. This one, we ordered to draw this, we need, okay, an oval. This is an oval or circle, a rectangle. So it's both oval and rectangle. Number 13, Paint is a program developed by Microsoft, and it's the abbreviation of MS is the abbreviation of Microsoft. Number 14, what shapes we use to draw this picture? Okay, we will see this picture. We will easily accomplish and identify that we use stores, we use the triangle, we use the rectangle, and we use the uncornered rectangle here. Number 15, we use the eraser tool to erase mistakes. Yes. Number 16, to insert the text into the picture, we use the text tool. Number 17, if I need to color the shape, I will use this fill bucket, okay? This is to erase, this is to write or draw, and this is to fill. This is the icon for saving, we said before. The tool that is used to select irregular areas. What is meant by irregular areas? It's mean that we're having a shape that have no corners, no lines. It's a regular shape. So in order to select a regular area, we will select it by free selection. The opposite of this question is selecting regular area or rectangular area. We are selecting it with the rectangular selection tool. What is the title bar? We said that this contained the name of the project and the name of the software. Number 21, to make the line thicker, we use the size button. Number 12, what is the name of this tool? Okay, what is the name of this tool? This is the pencil tool. Number 23, the calligraphy brush is used to help to write our names. Yes, of course, the calligraphy brush is one of the brushes well known. It's the shape of this. It's like this, but it's well known that we can write shapes. We can write names, I'm sorry. Number 24, we can fill colors in only closed areas, and this is very obvious because if we fill color in an open area, the whole page will be colored, so we can't fill except in a closed color. This is the undo, and this is the quick access toolbar. As we said before, this is magnifier tool. This is a redo. Let's say remove the last change, which was the undo. This is the ribbon. Okay, this is the ribbon, all of this. 31, there is only one shape. Oh, it's impossible, it's false. Number 32, Microsoft Paint is used to draw. No. Movie, no. Play games, no. It's used to draw and color. Number 33, the picture shown in Microsoft Paint, this is the paint icon. Okay, paint brush, it's paint icon. 34, each group has different commands, not files. Number 35, to duplicate this, first of all, we have to select the shape, then copy the shape, then paste after this. This is the tool, the title bar, and this is the maximize. To erase the picture, we use the eraser. We use Microsoft Paint to draw. There are different type of tools in Microsoft Paint, of course, yes. We can use Paint to call its false. What the tool of this is an eraser. The shortcut to undo, we said before that it's Control Z. We said it in the start of the video. Airbrush tool help us to spray. Okay, and we teach this in the class by saying that if you go into the big garages, okay, you will see the color being painted using spraying techniques. So in the garage, okay, we spray colors using the airbrush to color the car. So the airbrush is used to spray. 45 paint, we can use all color, yes. 46 pencil color is a thick brush. No, the pencil isn't a thick brush, and this is very logical. Okay, so the pencil is a tool and the thick brush is a tool. Both of them are different. Oil brush and watercolor, from their names, this is brushing and oil, this is brushing and water. So it's impossible for the water to be an oil, so it's not the same, so they are different. This was the revision sheet solution and the explanation of Microsoft Paint interface. I hope everything is covered well, and good luck in your exams, and best wishes. Hope you all solve well. Thank you.